Hey y'all, it's me, Sarah, back at it again with another tutorial. It's fall, it's pumpkin season, and therefore we're going to do pumpkin nails 3 ways. Listen, I don't have an explanation for this, you're just going to have to go with it. For our first nail, we're going to do the outline of a pumpkin. This is something that I saw on Pinterest, and I just thought it was swagalicious, delicious. What you're gonna do to start is you're gonna choose a darker color for your base coat, and then choose a lighter color to outline your pumpkin. I chose a tanny color, but you can do white, you can do green, you can be whoever you want to be. Barbie for President 2026. Now the design is very simple in and of itself. You're going to do something like an oval in the center, and then you're going to do crescents towards the outside, and that's going to be your pumpkin. And then you're going to do something of like an inverted triangle for your stem. This is a very simple design, but if this is something that you struggle with, just keep in mind everything beyond this is going to get much harder. Alright, my Squid Game contestants, pepperonis. We are on to nail number 2. This one is similar to nail number 1, but this time it has color. After we do our base, we're going to put down our pumpkin with orange. I'm doing a more circular pumpkin with a glittery orange polish. And yes, I did outline it initially with a creme polish, but take this as a warning, people. It did not look good, so I changed it to glitter on glitter. But the stem and my curlicue/leaf is a creme, for the reason that I want my pumpkin to pop. Congratulations, you have made it to nail number 3. If you've made this far, you are now an expert at nail polish, or you're sitting in front of the screen and you're just watching the YouTube video and aren't actually doing the nail art. Which is okay. I appreciate you too. For this design, we're gonna do 3D nails. But we aren't doing this with gel or acrylic. We're doing this with traditional nail polish lacquer. After we are done with our base coat, we're going to put down our glittery orange polish. Because the polish I've chose is in a jelly formula, I have to do a couple layers anyway. After I get my circular pumpkin done, I'm going to get ready for the 3D element. Now, I am sure that this nail design would be so much easier with gel. However, we don't like to do things easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take an old top coat that we haven't used in ages, that is so dry and so thick that it is unbearable to use. And that is what we're going to use for our 3D element. We are now going to take that old top coat and we're going to put it right on top of our orange polish. Now, if you have time and you have patience, you can take the knowledge that we have gained from the first 2 nails and make more 3D nails, in the sense that you can make the grooves of each of the pumpkin layers. However, I do not have the patience or time for that. So we're just going to skip that and just make a fully circular pumpkin. Listen, it's not my fault, okay? After that, we're going to put another layer of our orange on top of that top coat and add our embellishments. And that is how you do 3D nails. with traditional lacquer. Wow, look at those nails. They look absolutely scrumptious. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on any nail art ideas that you may have. And leave a comment as well if you absolutely hated the voice that I did in this video, because I did too. And with that, I will see y'all later. Bye!